Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's courtroom session brings us to a plea hearing with some high-stakes decision-making. The defendant, facing a family violence battery charge, decided to roll the dice on a trial instead of taking the plea deal. We don't get all the juicy details of the relationship, but it's safe to assume the alleged victim is someone close, like an ex or a current partner. Shocker, right? Let's see if this bold move pays off, or if it's just another legal disaster in the making.
Mr. Lawson, you come right up to the podium. Be there in front of the microphone, please.
Please stop this, man. I got shot, man.
Would you like to sit?
No, I'm saying I got shot, man. These people keep. I got two.
Hey, Mr. Lawson.
I'm working 2 jobs. How many bullets, man?
Mr. Lawson, come this way, please, and stand. Ms. Rios, you ready?
Yes.
And Ms. Beza, is this your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Rivers, you ready to start this morning's record?
Yes, I am, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. We're getting on the record in 24 SC 003886, State versus Larry Lawson. Mr. Lawson is here in court today with Ms. Rios, his lawyer, and we have Ms. Beza from the state. Ms. Beza, if Mr. Lawson wanted to, well, first of all, Mr. Lawson is charged with aggravated assault, family violence battery. If Mr. Lawson wanted to resolve his case today, what would the state be recommending?
We'd recommend a no process count 1, so dismissing the aggravated assault, pleading to the misdemeanor battery family violence, 12 months probation, family violence intervention program, and no contact with the named victim in this case.
Who is?
Ms. McCrary.
All right.
McCary, and the first name.
Ms. McCrary is fine, that's all. Okay, that's all I need. So Mr. Lawson, good morning again. If you wanted to resolve your case today, you don't have to, but I'm just letting you know what the state's offer is today. I need you to tell me you understand it. You're charged with a felony and a misdemeanor, and the state, having reviewed the case and maybe having had interactions with Ms. McCrary, saying they're prepared to dismiss the felony, the more serious charge. That goes away. And what you'd be pleading to is family violence battery, which is a misdemeanor. You'd be on probation for 12 months. You'd have to complete the family violence intervention program. And perhaps most importantly, you need to stay away from Ms. McCrary. Do you understand what the state's recommendation is?
Did you read this here?
So my question is whether you understand. I'm gonna let you tell me what you want to tell me in a minute. Did you understand what the state's recommendation?
I don't want to sit. No, I'm going straight to court.
Okay, so you'd like to go to trial. Ms. Rios, how are you doing with discovery?
I believe I have all of the discovery that is out there. I'm gonna double check. And there's some subpoenas that I've done that I'm waiting to hear back for. So I'm not completely sure I'll be ready on the 30th if I have everything back, possibly.
You are trying to get what kind of information?
From the cell phone records, subpoenaing her cell phone records.
Meaning Ms. McCrary?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Let me look. All right. Mr. Lawson, you've told me you understand the state's offer. You're saying no thank you to that. You'd like to go to trial. What is it? There's something else you've been sort of waving around in court.
I said, did y'all even read this here, man? She ain't said I did none of this stuff. She got detained, man. I work 2 jobs, lost my job. I've been a slave for a whole year with ankle around me. I'm working 2 jobs, lost my job because it said, this lady knows she don't have a case. Everybody keep asking me, I'm working 2 jobs, man. Okay? And they keep bringing me to court for this here, man. I the one got shot. I was leaving that night. Okay? Mom said, why y'all keep, anybody read this here?
I'm not sure what you're holding in your hand.
The paper that when the police came in first, she never said I did none of these things to her until she got detained.
Ms. McCrary got
Yeah, she never said I put my arm or nothing. I was leaving that night.
Okay.
Nobody read this stuff. It's in the police report. Nobody doing their job. I'm sitting somewhere trying to make me a slave for nothing, man.
All right. I don't think anyone's trying to make you a slave, but my role in the process is not to read the police reports. I read the things that the lawyers file. Your lawyer has filed a motion to modify your bond. I modified your bond after we had a discussion about that. So Ms. Rios has been doing exactly what she's supposed to do. My understanding is that you don't have an ankle monitor anymore.
No, I'm saying,
No, because your lawyer did what she's supposed to do.
I'm saying,
And
but I got a
signed
rod in
order
my
in
leg
October.
for the rest of my life. I got that for the rest of my life. I got shot. I got a rod in my leg for the rest of my life.
Okay, well, I'm sorry you
No,
got
took my
shot.
time.
I'm here to work through your case.
Yes, sir.
And you're telling me no thanks to the offer. You understand then that we'll see you on the 30th.
Okay.
You'll need to be here in court. I know it gets you frustrated when you have to come to court, but you'll need to come back on the 30th. That's the day we call the trial calendar. And we'll figure out where in the process we'll do your trial. And in the meantime, Ms. Rios is working on your case. Sounds like she's trying to get some information about Ms. McCrary. This offer that you got today, the dismissing count 1 and just probation for count 2, I need you to tell me that you understand that there's no guarantee that's the same offer at the end of the month. You may have a change of heart, say, wait a minute, I want to take that.
I'd rather go to prison, man, before I even let the people railroad me. I'd rather go to prison, man. Come on, let me get up out of here. So I thank you so much for your time, but I got to go to work.
What are your 2 jobs?
I was a truck driver, now I work at a car wash, okay?
That's
And then
one job.
one job, then I work at car wash. I'm working 18 hours a day. I got to catch model, okay? I had to catch model way from over here out of South Fulton County over here, on Stone Mountain out here. Take me 2 hours to get here. Okay, I'm getting 3 hours worth of sleep, man. And these people keep messing with me. You know she ain't got nothing, man. Ain't by her own words. She ain't said I did none of this stuff.
Okay, don't hit your lawyer with the papers, all
I
right?
apologize. I'm just frustrated, man. This shit.
I can tell you're frustrated. And
3 hours of sleep, man. People keep messing with me, man.
okay. All right, Mr. Lawson, I'm gonna let you go and we will see you on the 30th.
All right.
And Your Honor, that concludes my statement. Is that excused?
Yeah, you may want to let Mr. Lawson go first.
Rejecting a plea deal might seem bold, but when the stakes are this high, it's a gamble with serious consequences. The family violence battery charge isn't just another legal term. It reflects the messy and complicated dynamics behind this particular relationship. It makes you wonder, at what point does the back and forth, the drama, and the toxic volatility finally catch up with you? And why do these folks keep embarrassing themselves in court? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.